ERA 1 BD, OXI BD. How to obtain the best performance from the bidirectional technology. In bidirectional radio communication, the two devices involved, ERA 1 BD and OXI BD, are each capable of receiving and transmitting information from to another device. This double travel of the message affects the range. Here are 3 simple suggestions to obtain the best performance. 1. Correct installation with the antenna supplied. 2. Connect the antenna on the flashing light. 3. Connect the ABF kit external antenna. Correct installation with the antenna supplied. Attention! Before inserting or removing the receiver, disconnect the power supply to the control unit. Connect the antenna supplied to terminal 1 of the OXI BD receiver. Insert the OXI BD receiver in the control unit. Arrange the antenna so that it points upwards. Restore power to the control unit. The antenna has been positioned correctly.